So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rizem Traya from Infotech 3F, and I would like to present my website and explain the features, content, and also the tasks that I have completed throughout this project. So, this is my hostinger, and you can see this is my dashboard, and we're going to explore, and I will going to explain to you the activities that I completed. We're going to welcome to my Freezy Traya project. So, we're going to visit site. So, click the menu, and we're going to choose my portfolio. So, as you can see here, so this is my activities that completed. So first activity is download offline WordPress. So in this activity, I've learned how to install and run the WordPress offline using a local server. So I explore the WordPress dashboard and also discover how to manage and customize a website and how WordPress connects to a database by using PHP MyAdmin. So where different tables, post stores, users, and settings. So overall, I gain a basic understanding about the WordPress setup and how it works. So the second is simple guestbook form. So in this simple guestbook form, whereas users can enter their names, email, and you can message. So in this area, I learned how to display submitted message on a website. So this taught me the basics creating forms and also showing user input on a web page. So amo ni siya. If you are signing here your name, if you are going to put your information here, your name, email and message, we're going to click the sign guestbook and it will display here in the guestbook entries, just like this. We're going to try this one. Crazy Traya. Traya freely at gmail.com. Okay. So look, it will display here in the guestbook entries of what I put or what I signed in. So the next is just like the activity two, a simple guestbook form, but we add here the age, gender, and also the status. Just like this. And it will display here and the guestbook entries. So the next is the external product list. So here in external product list, I learned how to create and display an external product list using CMS plugins. So I understand here how product data such as product name, stock, price, description, brand, and the quality of the product. This pulled me from an external database and show on a web page using structured data or a table. This helped me practicing working with plugins and handling external data sources and presenting the information in a clear and also in an organized format. So next is the student database building a WordPress CRUD plugin. And this activity is how to build a WordPress CRUD plugin that handles students' enrollment data. So I gained experience in creating a custom data table, designing an input form, and implementing like create, read, update, and delete functions. So in this area, I also learned how to submit information such as name, email, course, and the contact number and the date. And this can be securely stored and managed inside the WordPress. So this activity helped me to understand the backend data processing works and improve my skills in plan database integration within a real CMS environment. So next is the WordPress plugin with a third-party API. So in the weather plugin is that display a real-time weather, just like this, information using an external API. I gain an understanding of plugin structured, how PHP request data from a weather API, and how to read and display a JSON results such as temperature, location, and the weather icons. Ano siya. So this activity strengthened my skills in plugin development, API integration, and building user-friendly interfaces. So next is the website development and management. So amo na siya ang pag-publish or pag-deploy sa website through online. This activity is deploying and managing a live website. So the project shown the Freezy Traya project, and the website name is freezy.freezyale.online. So it present the process of taking a website from development through actual online hosting, and it includes setting up a domain configuration and configuration hosting, uploading website files, and making sure the site is accessible to everyone using the internet. So it's demonstrate how a real website is deployed or published and maintained, so the users can easily visit the website using a browser. That's all. So in the activity 7 is the e-commerce plugin activity. So This activity is create and tested completing an online using a WordPress and WooCommerce. So in this screenshot shows that I added different products, organized them in the shop page, and this set their prices, image, and also the sale labels. And also I explore the individual product pages like this. So I explore the individual products pages where the customer can view the details and add their cart and add items to their cart. After that is I tested checkout processing, placing or ordering. I also explore the individual product pages where the customers can view details and add items to their cart. After that, I tested the checkout process by placing an order, filling out customers' information, and selecting the cash on delivery. Amo ni siya. And confirming the purchase. The order received, the page shows the order number, total amount, billing details, and also the list of purchase items, providing that the system works properly. Lastly is I integrated the PayPal as another payment method. You can see this is the PayPal. And I tested its interface. Through this activity is I learned how to set up the products, manage an online shop, configure payments options, and understand how the actual e-commerce transaction flows from the browsing to order completion. In activity 8 is install and configure a white label plugin. So here in white label plugin is to customize or rebrand the dashboard according to my project identity. So in the first screenshot or in my dashboard, first screenshot shows the front end of the site where I created a personal introduction like this. First, that includes my photo, name, and a short description on describing my background and purpose of my website. And the second screenshot is display customized WordPress admin dashboard, where the white label plugins allow me to replace a default WordPress elements with a personalized welcome message for students, a person. This demonstrates that I was able to successfully modify the admin interface, making it look more professional, consistent, and aligned with overall theme of my project. So next is the activity 9, install and configure WordFence plugin for 2FA. So this image shows the setup of the WordFence securities plugin in WordPress, including or enabling the firewall and configure two-factor authentications 2FA. So in WordFence, it strengthened my website protection by monitoring threats, blocking suspicious IP addresses, and preventing unauthorized person na maka-access ang website. And the steps also including activating 2FA and generating recovery codes, and shows the plugin and login process is required a verification code. Amo ni siya. Required siya verification code before you log in to my website. So it's showing the login process, required verification code, amo to siya, from an authentication app. So overall, the activity demonstrate how WordFence enhanced my website and the security through firewall protections and added a login verification. And next is the activity 10, or install and configure Ultimate Member for user rules. So configuring Ultimate Members is essential for any websites is required membership systems, user profiles, or restricted content. And it helps administrator control user and need pa og permission to approve users management and create a more personalized and secure user experience. So this setup is especially valuable for communication or community websites, online courses, membership platforms, and any site where users' interactions and rules control are very important. Lastly is the install and configure Chatway plugin for the chatbot. So installing and configuring a chatbot is very important, just because it improves the website interaction and supports faster customer service and ensure the visitors can get immediately assistance. And also it enhances engagement and also build a trust and help management inquiries efficiently, making the website more user-friendly and responsive. This is especially valuable for business portfolios or service websites that rely on smooth communication with the users. And so I think, and so this is the Chatway plugin for chatbot. So this is the screenshots. So that's all, everyone, and that's all, sir. Thank you for listening to my explanation. God bless.